everyone and welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for clicking on this video today to watch. How are you all? I hope you're all doing okay. So I've got a bit of a different video today. It's my August monthly cash stuffing. The only reason why I'm doing this is because the girls are on 6 weeks holidays and I just don't have the time to film weekly. So just gonna cash stuff for the month of August and yeah, kind of be done with it basically, and then hopefully things will resume back in September to normal scheduling. But go ahead and grab yourself your favourite drink, your snacks, put your feet up and relax as always, and let's cash stuff for the month of August. Righty-ho then, so here I should have 365. So we've got 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 10, 20, 30, 40, 5, 55, 65. All present and correct. Not too sure if because I've got a lot of 20s there. I'm not too sure if I've got the right denominations. We're just going to have to work with it, aren't we? But first things first is spending. Now, normally, yes, I would do my roll, match and split. However, with the 6 weeks holidays and this being sort of a monthly cash stuffing, it is a little bit less than what I would normally have for the month. I'm giving myself £10 a week and not doing that, not doing the challenge. So I'm pointing to the challenge binder. Not doing the challenge, and then seeing what I have left over at the end of the month. If I have money left over at the end of the month, then I will put that into roll, match and split, because that is where it kind of originally should have gone. So yeah, let's do that then. So I'm just going to put it straight into the spending envelope here in the front of my sinking funds binder. I'm just going to put £40 straight in there, and yeah, I of course can dip into that as and when I need it. Don't know why I put that away, because I need that out. Okay, now we're going into sinking funds. Right, clothing then has got in here 20, 40, 55, and I'm adding in 25 today. So we've got 20, 40, 60, 75 and 80. £80 in clothing, which I'm really, really pleased about. Really happy about that. School. Still haven't sorted this out. Such a wally. Right. We'll maybe sort that out now. I'm putting in 105 today, but it is split up. So Harriet is getting 80, so 20, 40, 60, 80. Let's just sort out Harriet's envelope first. 20, 40, 60, 80. So I still need to buy both girls' school shoes. Harriet is allowed to wear Air Force One black trainers to school. Had a little look up online how much they are. They're about 70 to 80 pounds. So yeah, hence the 80. So I'm going to put that in there. I'm going to top this up from the 50 that was already in there to 100. So Harriet has now got £100 in there. Right, Star's envelope needs 25. And then I'm going to add in this 30. So she, in her envelope, has got 20, 40, 55. So yeah, really pleased with both of that. Star's shoes I only get from like Asda. I don't spend loads of money on her shoes because she's still growing. Harriet's still growing, but Harriet seems to have slowed down a little bit. She's 11 years old and she's like a size 5. So she's one shoe size behind me. So I'm hoping she's slowed down just a little bit. Anyway, that is that. Wellness. Okay. Health is, I need to sort this little tracker out, but health is getting, what's health getting, guys? 15. So we've got 20, 30 pounds in the bank. So 30, 50, 65 in health. And beauty is also getting 15. So beauty's got 20, 40, 55 and 60 in there. Perfect. Lovely jubbly. Okay, family then. Eating out is, oh sorry, let's do household because that's the first on my list. I'm just going to really confuse myself. I'm very easily confused. Household is getting 25. Oh no, we're running out of fives. I might have to go for the hunt for fives. Right, I'll pull this out. Okay, let's change them fives out a minute for a 10. Right, so you've got 10, let's add that on at the end. 20, 40, 50, 60, 5, 75. 75 in family, household, that is really good. Really pleased with that. Yeah, really pleased with that. Yeah, was astounded by that. Okay, and then right, sorry about that, guys. James calls me as always. I was on eating out and I was adding in 25 into eating out. Now I'm going to change out these fives for a 10, and then I think I'm going to change them 10s out for a 20. So in eating out, I've got 20, 40, 60, 85 in there, which is really good. Really, really good. Really pleased with that. Don't even know why I bother having a tracker in here, to be honest with you. I shouldn't really bother. Okie dokie. And then car isn't getting anything, but the sinking funds buffer, sorry, just move this to the side, is getting 25 today. So we're giving this a really big boost. And let's do, oh, what do I want to do? Let's do this 5 and then this 20 here. Could do condensing. I've got 5, 10, 15. I haven't got 15. Oh, I could do 5, 10, 15, 20 and then do another 20. We'll deal with that another time. Right. So in here now, in the sinking funds buffer, I've got 125 and 30. Change that out. I think I'm going to have to go back through my binders. Pause the video and go back through the binders to see if I can condense anything down. That is good. I think that buffer saves £200. So there we go. Righty ho then. So that is that. I need to put £50 into, oh, not that one. £50 into the game day, the birthday game day. So I've digitally moved over £100 into here. So now I've got another 50. So that's 3 episodes that I need to film. Or maybe do you want 3 episodes, or shall I just do it in one big one? Let me know down in the comments what you would like me to do. And then we should have, really hope this is right, 25, 35 and 40. It is. Right, okay. Now, this is going into the seasonal part of my savings challenge binder. We've completed the summer one, completed the Hello Summer Scratch Off, completed the matching game, completed the Budgets summer challenge. We are going to be completing the summer ice cream today, which is really, really exciting. So let's give this 4 rolls. Let's move this all back a little bit so we can see what we're doing. Can we see this? Yeah, that's right. So the first one is a red. So that's red, which is 10. So of course it's £10 a go. So I've allocated £10. Pink, which is, where's my pink gone? I had that somewhere. Pink, which is a 5. Red again. Let's give it our last one. Pink. Okay. Do you sometimes think like the dice towers are just a little bit like fix things? Let me know what you think. Right, so this is getting 10, 20, 30 pounds into here. And let's just complete this. Super, super exciting. Love it. What colours didn't I get? Yellow. Didn't get yellow. Right, so let's see what I've saved in the summer ice cream challenge. So I've got 20, 40, 60, 75, 85, 90 pounds. Wow, that's like amazing. 90 pounds in there. So what we do with this little cheeky £10 then, right, to the monthly saver, and we're going to complete August, which I'm so excited about. Honestly, I cannot believe it, because I was thinking to myself I won't be able to get this completed like before the end of August, and I've been able to. There should be £50 here. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. That's just amazing. Like, stars aligned and all of that jazz. Really pleased with that. So May, June, July and August will be reallocated along with the summer challenges. Wow, that was a good cash stuffing, I have to say. Really, really pleased with how that went, and so pleased to have got my summer challenges all done before the end of August. So yeah, gonna leave it there for today. So thank you ever so much. I really do hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, if you could leave this emoji down in the comments below, I would really appreciate it. I'm gonna let you get on. Hope you're having a good day and a great week as always, and I shall see you all soon. Bye bye.